Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. Now what we've got today is basically a V2 version on a 2021 Bentley Benteyga. This vehicle we've previously done some upgrades with, added some bass. The customer had got the NAIM audio upgrade in this vehicle. Now it just wasn't doing what he wanted. There wasn't enough attack, there wasn't enough bass, and truthfully there wasn't enough volume and clarity. Although the vehicle did sound good, this just didn't do what the customer wants. And obviously when you have a customer that has a vehicle, a prestige vehicle like this, to make sure that this does what they want is our utmost priority. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk you through this Audison and Hertz audio upgrade that we've done in this Bentley, show you how it looks, show you the lighting, and show you where we've been and how well it actually works. Right, so we're now inside the vehicle. What we've actually done here is a four-way Hertz front end. Now, as you can see here, there's the name badge on the grille, but now behind there is the Audison Millet woofer, and then there's a mid-range grille there, and there's the Audison Millet mid-range. These doors have been heavily soundproofed to allow the woofers to play properly. Then what we've got in here is the dashboard speakers in either corner, and then we've got the Millet tweeters actually running as like a super tweeter up on the A pillar, and then inside the vehicle, well, there's not a hell of a lot to see. Obviously you have the factory entertainment system. However, what we have done is, because we've added in an audio processor, we've actually built in the Audison DRC controller into the center console there, and actually this has been flocked, although it's quite dark, to match this flocking of the armrest area. Right, so we're now in the rear. So in the rear we have another three-way setup. So it has again the woofer in the door, which this one has again been changed to the Millet Legend, and then a mid-range. Again, this has been changed to the Millet ML700, and then we have a tweeter here. Now this gives us quite a good sound stage for the rear passenger. So if I just lean over like that, you can see the mid-range and the tweeter and the woofer working well. Again, such a high-spec vehicle. This even has the old Mulliner champagne flutes and a cooler for a champagne system in the rear. Just absolutely stunning. And then again in the rear, this is where the armrest was, but we've done a little cool finishing touch, which is our logo there in a trim panel, again just to match. Just nice little touches that people appreciate. So now what I'll do is I'll go through into the actual boot of the vehicle and show you where the party starts. Right, okay, so now at the rear of the vehicle. Basically, what we've done with this is where the majority of the work we've done, the custom work. Now, everything's been done in keeping with what Bentley would, as far as we're concerned, would have achieved if you were trying to produce a really ultra high-end stall of this standards. In here we've 3 amplifiers. There's 13 channels of amplification. There's basically 15 channels of speakers running this vehicle. But what I want to show you is the level of detail that we've gone to in here to give this, or to make this look in keeping with the vehicle. So what I'll do is I'll show you this now. So now what we've got here is we've got an amp rack with 3 Audison Voce amplifiers. These are in an illuminated panel for smoke perspex windows. We've obviously matched the boot carpet absolutely perfectly to the original carpet. We've then built a custom sub-enclosure with 2 Millet Legend subwoofers. Again, this has been custom lit. Now this lighting has purposely been done because inside the vehicle there is custom lighting within the door cards and the door panels. So this is in keeping. Now one of the cool things with this is this lighting is also controllable via an app on your phone. So you can actually then you can have a party mode, so you can have this change colours, you can have it dance with the music. You can just keep a fixed colour like this if you want. So we're now looking down inside the amp rack. So what you've got here is the 3 Audison amplifiers. So you've got an Audison AV 5.1K and you've got 2 Audison AV Quattro amplifiers. Underneath the sub box, or actually underneath this boot floor, we've then got the Audison Bit 1 HD Virtuoso, the power distribution and all the fusing, cabling and also a capacitor to help with the smoothing out the power dips, because obviously this, as you can see with these amplifiers, is going to draw quite a bit of power. Right, so we're now going to talk about the trimming materials and the quality of the finish that we've done. So as you go through here, this is the factory side panel, and this is also the factory boot panel here. But you can see actually between these two, this is absolutely a perfect match between the two. Now what we've also done is we've used an Alcantara trim ring here, and then a smoked perspex window just to give a little bit more definition, I suppose, if you like, because obviously this is illuminated, this panel. And then inside the sub box, the bit in the corners here, this is also trimmed in like a linen Alcantara. And then this sub box itself, this is an Alcantara, the linen Alcantara, again with this tan finish. So you can see the products themselves there, the Hertz speakers. These really are ultra high-end speakers, and what we wanted to do was give into a real ultra high-end vehicle something that looked almost like Bentley had built this. So you can see there again where we've gone into the boot area, this is absolutely perfectly finished as Bentley would have done themselves. And more importantly than anything, this just does everything that the customer wants sound wise and more. So for further information on having a audio upgrade done to ultra high-end standards, give the professionals at Source Sounds a call on 0114 257 1550, or you can email us at sales@sourcesounds.com. Also, if you'd like to see more videos on what we've done, visit our Facebook at Source Sounds, or go onto our YouTube channel and visit Source Sounds, and like and share for more videos. Thank you for watching.